getting crazy. For the police.
This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Alright, man. So, as y'all boys can see, wind the window down for y'all boys, man. No, wait, hold on, wait. Put it like right there. As y'all boys can see, man. Look, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, feel me? We chilling. We on some chill shit right now. Oh my goodness. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, bro. But yeah, we on some chill stuff right now. I gotta stop cursing. But yeah, we on some chill stuff. Oh my goodness. Y'all hear how this joint just bounce off the... Ooh. Go ahead, bro. I'm trying to debate. You know what? I ain't even gonna do that. I'm gonna go straight and then goddamn shoot down, then shoot out there, man. Actually, I might play around a little bit more before I leave. Heck yeah, bro. We on some chill stuff. You know what I'm saying? That was a downshift that I did not want to do. Oh, they be getting crazy. Damn. Yo, bro. Damn, I'm not counting damn as a curse word, alright? So, yeah, we straight, we chilling. Hopefully, the camera is picking all of this up, bro. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all where I won't speed. I'm gonna go down there, but I will not, and I repeat, I will not speed in those school zones. I'm sorry. But, yeah, but, well, technically, I'm not even speeding. My car just loud as hell. So, it sounds like I am, but I'm not. But yeah, nah, it's school zone, gang. I ain't bogus. You feel me? I want these kids, man, especially, you know what I'm saying, coming out of Fairfield, bro. Well, any hood, if we being honest, I want them to really be something, bro. Goddamn, become the next billionaires or something, bro. Definitely get the hell out of here. For the people who don't know, bro, I done lived damn near everywhere, bro. If we keeping it a band with you, bro. I done lived damn near everywhere. That's what this shit feel like, bro. We used to move like every year, bro. So, yeah, bro. You get out of here. You know what I'm saying? Anybody who, you know what I'm saying, in a crazy situation. Because I'm still in a crazy situation. I'm not even out. I'm still, like, you feel me? But I'm not here anymore. So, yeah. But I'm definitely still in a crazy situation. I hope everybody get out that mess, bro. Be, you know what I'm saying? Get big, bro. Become something. Be something. You feel me? That's what I'm trying to do. I know y'all boys see I'm being dumb consistent, bro. I'm trying to real deal, like, do something with my life, bro. You know what I'm saying? Become something crazy. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna be, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be that guy, you know what I'm saying? I'm coming back to the school. God damn. I'm coming back to the schools. All of that. I'm gonna be, you know what I'm saying, giving them the same preachers that I'm giving y'all right now, bro. I know, bro, with that charger behind me, like, what the hell? Look, he's speeding up. Hey, bro. Dang, these bumpy roads. I ain't gonna lie. We gonna shoot through here too. This on some chill stuff. I was like, bro, I'm leaving work, gang. Why not do a quick little POV real quick? You feel me? He tried to do the same thing I did. Hey, he got something in that joke though. Oh, there go. I heard a little something. Okay. I respect that. Oh my goodness, bro. This place still look the same. They ain't never changed it. I don't think they ever will change it. Like, the next change they probably gonna do for Wickham, bro, is gonna be they be getting knocked down. This place has looked the same since I was a kid. I know y'all probably like, man, nigga, I promise you, this, bro. Anybody who has lived out here, bro, at least from back when I was like legit, bro, this mess has still looked the same. And I'm grown as hell. Like, bro, oh my goodness, bro, they haven't changed nothing. Like, they might have fixed up some homes, but bro, they didn't. It's just still the same, bro. Bro, look, I'm about to put y'all boys on game. Y'all see this little field right here? What's that? Well, it's kind of a field, but this right here, bro. We used to play football right here, bro. I kid you not. Like, bro, we used to sit right here and play football and all type of shit, bro. I told you I didn't dead lived everywhere. I think it used to be a school right here too, but obviously it ain't there, so it's not down. Yeah, bro. Y'all can see I still got my window down, or it's up, but I got it down a little bit just because, bro, I don't want people staring in my face, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? I could definitely wind that bit down for y'all, but like why though? You know what I'm saying? Hold up, make sure y'all can see everything. Make sure we straight. Put that bit down, so I'm about right there. Okay, we good. Y'all should be able to see everything. We should be straight. Oh my goodness, bro. Of course, these should stay around here. Holy, bro. Damn, he got an RT too, bro. Go ahead, this your go. Wherever you going. Alright. Just want to make sure we can get him out the way. About to show y'all some crazy. Hold up. See if we can find it on cam. I'll be straight. Hold up. Y'all know I be stopping it on me a video, bruh. This ain't nothing new, man. God dang, bro. Thank you. Gotta be careful going around this right here, bro. Yo, bro, the sound of this car, like when it farts, bro, is one of the most satisfying sounds ever, bro. It's just a long fart, like that shit sounds crazy. And I've recently found out like how far away you can hear my car. Bro, you can hear my car pretty dang on far away. Like, insanely far away. My fault. I'm looking at them damn police officers. What the hell they doing? Heck yeah, yo, bro, they tripping. Hold up, matter of fact, nah, wind it up just a little bit, bro. Cause, come on, bro, let's keep it a band, bro. Look at me. The Dodge Charger, loud. I ain't going for it. I ain't going for it, gang. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, bro, I'm just trying to live a nice, you know what I'm saying, peaceful life, bro. Get bread, bro. I ain't with the shenanigans, bro. We can go to one more place real quick. Bro, I would have went to like, oh, I might do that one video. We might just go to every goddamn going, like, you feel me, in one video. But not today. Hold on. Only my, like, brothers and sisters and cousins and all of that. Like, gonna know what I'm doing by me taking this little route right here. Only they know. Oh damn, I actually turned one turn too early, but it's fine. They know where I'm going just off me being on this road. And then I could bust a oh, actually no, I ain't tripping. No, we good right here. Let's see if it's still right here. It is. Yo, bro. My uncles and all of them carved this like right here. I kid you not. Hold on. Alright. My fault. This nigga, bro, Rand called me, bro. So, yeah. Anyway, that's what I was saying. Oh, I moved up some. But that little thing right there, bro. Yo, bro, my uncles and my dad and all of them carved that shit right there, bro. So, yeah. I just want to see if it was still there. That shit's definitely still there, bro. Crazy work. I'm not gonna lie. Dang, boy. Bro, everybody who didn't like, I don't know, with anything in life, do y'all ever just sit back and just be like, dang, bro, I wonder, like, with my grandpa or, like, like, you know what I'm saying, them type of shit, like, I wonder what they would have, like, I wonder how they would have, like, reacted to me getting this far. And so y'all would think of that, bro. Like, obviously, I ain't make it that far. But, like, man, if my pops would have seen this damn car, he would have told me hit a burnout every time I see him, bro. I promise you. He the reason why I love cars. And, like, well, he one of the reasons that I love cars. And he damn sure one of the reasons I love to, like, do burnouts, bro. He is one of the reasons, bro. He did that shit every single time I said, can you do a burnout? He do it every single time. Right here. Literally, like, literally, like, bro, my pops ain't never let me down, bro. Like, no cap. But hey, he was him. And putting it in short words, bro, he was him. I'm trying to think, bro, where the hell do I want to go? Like, just in that bit off right here, like. This marketing shop right here. Damn, that's a fat ass pothole, bro. I'm telling you, boy, hey, boy, Virginia got them potholes, bro, that are goddamn, you hit that bit, your car gonna turn off, like, no cap. Wait, we ain't in no damn school zone? I'm tripping. Yo, bro. Okay, we got the mirror outside and shit. Okay. I know where I want to end this bit. About to take y'all to a park. And once I leave this park, I'm going to the crib ski. Also, me and Rand supposed to be doing this video. I don't know when, because we ain't set up no day. But man, we gonna tweak out, bro. Also, we plan on going. I don't even know if I want to tell y'all that much. I mean, I'll tell y'all. Me and Rand plan on going somewhere like far out and just letting these Jones eat. So that should be a real interesting video, bro. Just to see how these Jones gonna like perform. Cause I mean, obviously we didn't like, you know what I'm saying? But like, we gonna have the freedom and shit. So come on, bro. Oh hell nah. Fuck the police. I'm trying to think. I low-key, I'm at a half a tank though. But y'all know me, bro. I don't even like my car going below a half. I'm running it be like I'm on E85 or something. But like, I don't know, bro. I be looking at stuff like, what if I take a wrong route? And then like, you know what I'm saying? That's how I be looking at it. But I guess, bro. Gotta goddamn keep that bit up one time. Literally, we gonna end that bit right here. Like, it's not even gonna take a full minute, so I'm not even gonna turn the car off. Yeah, hold on, let me get ready to end this joint. Oh my goodness, do y'all hear this joint now? Oh, by the way, it's not sticking out how it was. Only thing we gotta do now is literally just push it forward. But I'm not gonna lie, bro, from like, I don't care about pushing it forward right now. I ain't gonna lie, that's probably one of the last things at this moment that I care about. So I'm not doing that right now, gang. Look at this, like, it's fine. Way better than what it looked like at first. Y'all remember what that mess looked like? It looked bad. I know my car's still dirty, bro. I just don't care to clean it. But yeah, bro. Oh yeah, we gotta put bro, that's little stuff. I don't care about how it look right now, bro. It's fine. But just the Artiski, man, bit look nice. Yo, bro, keep it a stack, bro. Y'all keep it a band with me. It's coming together. It really is, bro. Like, my car used to look crazy. Yeah, bro, this is where we at right now, bro. Appreciate y'all boys for watching. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all boys sub up. If y'all haven't already, man, sub up, like the video, man. Let me know what other stuff y'all boys want me to do, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm on some real deal and like ignorant stuff right now, bro. So anything ignorant, like just comment it like down below, bro. And I'm gonna most likely get to it. Damn, my car needs to get washed. We might do that in the next video. We gonna wash the damn car, bro. That's what we gonna do. Y'all boys just stick with me. Alright, bear with me. We gonna wash that bit. But appreciate y'all boys for watching. I'm out this zone, man. Just listen to this zone. Damn. I'm out, man.